Your space is either building your future or silently breaking it. The way you design your environment affects your energy, your mindset, and even your income. Let's get real. You can't perform at your best if your environment is draining you. Low energy? Check your lighting, ventilation, and clutter. Your space may be killing your focus. Strained relationships? Your layout might be limiting connection, privacy, or even peace. Struggling in business? Your space could be telling clients, I'm not ready for growth. Want to elevate status? High level people recognize high level design. Your space is your silent resume. As your architect and interior architecture specialist, here's my pro tip. Before changing your life, change your environment. Design isn't a luxury, it's a tool. The space you choose chooses the results you get. Let's realize your dream space. I'm Architect Naboa, your interior architecture specialist. And if you're ready on taking the next steps on realizing your dream spaces of well-being, prestige, and legacy wealth, send us a message. And if you like this video, follow us for more.